Are you looking for the best folding treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best folding treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NordicTrack T 8.5 S Treadmill. The NordicTrack T 8.5 S Treadmill is a popular exercise equipment designed to provide users with a versatile and effective workout experience. Built with advanced features and technologies, this treadmill is suitable for individuals who are looking to improve their cardiovascular fitness, burn calories, and enhance their overall endurance. One of the standout features of the NordicTrack T 8.5 S Treadmill is its powerful motor, which allows for smooth and consistent performance during workouts. With its 3.5 continuous horsepower motor, users can enjoy a quiet and reliable operation, ensuring a comfortable exercise session without any interruptions. The treadmill offers a spacious and cushioned running surface, measuring approximately 20 inches wide and 60 inches long. This ample space provides enough room for users to walk, jog, or run comfortably, accommodating individuals of varying heights and stride lengths. Additionally, the running deck incorporates FlexSelect cushioning technology, which helps reduce the impact on joints, minimizing the risk of injuries and ensuring a more comfortable workout experience. Number 2. Echelon Stride. Echelon Stride is a state-of-the-art connected fitness treadmill designed to provide users with a convenient and safe workout experience. By subscribing to the Echelon Premium membership, users can enjoy a free 30-day trial and gain access to over 3,000 live and on-demand fitness classes through the Echelon Fit app. These classes are led by top instructors and cover a wide range of activities, including cycling, rowing, running, HIIT, kickboxing, yoga, Pilates, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a professional athlete, there are classes suitable for everyone. Safety is a top priority for Echelon, and the Echelon Stride is designed with the highest safety standards in mind. It features a metal safety bar underneath the running deck, which prevents objects from being pulled under. The treadmill meets international safety standards UL 1647 and EN 20957, demonstrating its commitment to safety. In terms of design, the Echelon Stride combines functionality, technology, and intelligent design. It incorporates auto-fold technology, making it easier than ever to fold and store the treadmill when not in use. This feature enhances convenience and accessibility for users. Number 3. ProForm Pro 9000 Treadmill. The ProForm Pro 9000 Treadmill is a top-of-the-line exercise machine designed to provide users with a high-quality and immersive running experience. It offers a range of features and technologies that make it a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. One notable feature of the ProForm Pro 9000 is its powerful 4.0 chp, continuous horsepower, Mach Z Commercial Pro motor. This motor is built to withstand intense workouts and provides a smooth and quiet operation. It allows users to run at high speeds and inclines without any hesitation. The treadmill also comes with a spacious 22x60 running surface, providing ample space for users of all heights and strides. The belt is designed to provide cushioning and reduce the impact on joints, making it suitable for individuals with joint or knee issues. To keep users engaged during their workouts, the ProForm Pro 9000 features a 10-inch full-color touchscreen display. This display is interactive and offers a wide range of built-in workout programs, including interval training, hill climbs, and endurance runs. Additionally, it is compatible with iFit, a subscription-based fitness program that provides access to unlimited workout options, personalized coaching, and global running routes through Google Maps. Number 4. Horizon Fitness T101. The Horizon Fitness T101 is a popular treadmill model known for its reliability, user-friendly features, and affordability. Although this overview does not specify any details about the paragraph, I will provide a general overview of the Horizon Fitness T101 based on its common features and qualities. The Horizon Fitness T101 is designed to cater to individuals seeking a convenient and efficient way to exercise at home. It offers a range of features that make it suitable for users of varying fitness levels. With its sturdy construction and durable components, The T101 provides a stable and secure platform for running, jogging, or walking. One of the notable aspects of the Horizon Fitness T101 is its user-friendly interface. The treadmill is equipped with a clear LCD console that displays essential workout information such as speed, distance, time, and calories burned. This allows users to track their progress and set specific fitness goals. The console also includes built-in workout programs that offer variety and challenge for users, helping to keep their workouts engaging and effective. Number 5. XTERRA Fitness TR. The XTERRA Fitness TR folding treadmill is a premium exercise equipment designed to provide a convenient and effective workout experience. Known for its durability and versatility, this treadmill offers a range of features that cater to the needs of fitness enthusiasts. One standout feature of the XTERRA Fitness TR folding treadmill is its folding design, allowing for easy storage and space-saving benefits. This makes it ideal for individuals with limited workout space, as the treadmill can be neatly folded and tucked away when not in use. The TR folding treadmill boasts a robust construction, built to withstand rigorous workouts and provide long-lasting performance. Its sturdy frame and high-quality materials ensure stability and durability, making it suitable for intense running or walking sessions. With a powerful motor, the XTERRA Fitness TR folding treadmill offers a smooth and consistent workout experience. Users can choose from various speed settings to match their fitness level and goals, providing both beginners and advanced users with the flexibility to customize their workouts.